Here are the pieces you need to build a pulley that has a fixed pulley and a movable pulley. First, for the base, you'll need this piece, then put pegs into it. Just make sure there's more than one peg. I use 3 since like this. They get another one and then put it like here. So now you have a rectangular base. Then to hold the pulley, do one of this, then put one over here near the middle. And you can do anywhere you like as long as it's symmetry. Well, that's what I'm doing. Repeat that step again on another rectangle thing. And then to connect them, take this, put this right in the middle. Make sure you're measuring it to see if it's an LC. 7 on each side. Then put these on the side. And then put this, and make sure this one's facing upwards. And then connect it to the base. Like this. Then for the pulley, you get this, and take this, and then put one of this that is equally with this. Then put this at one of the ends. This on it, then take this and put it over here, one circle away from the one you just put. Put it there, then get a wheel about this big. Then fit in here, and then slide this in. You built the first one. And then slide that in so this could fit 2 stoppers, but just only add one. And then go like this. And then over here, for the movable, to get the movable plane work, take that out, then put these in, and then that on. And if you just need a fixed pulley, then keep it like that. But to get to a movable pulley, you'll also need to take this out. And then put this over here. Then put it in. and then put here, and then here, and then slide this in like that. And then over here you're done. Then to connect it to here, put this on, and you're gonna soon attach that string to there, and then so the string is actually gonna go here to attach the weight. And to build the weight, you'll need this for a spin and thing. Put it in the middle. Then have whatever you want. And then build away, like whatever you want. But just make sure it doesn't touch the sides. So and then over here, there's a fixed pulley. Then you pull on here, and it goes up here. So if this was 1 kilogram, the force you need was 1 kilogram. Since a fixed, like you have to pull 1 kilogram, but not go pull up. Instead, you have gravity that makes it go down. Since fixed pulleys only change direction, not how you pull it. And then so pull, and then this load goes up. Over here, the fixed pulley is over here. The load is this, and we've tied the string, which is here, to the load as shown here. Then we've added something over here to support the fixed pulley up here. Over here, this fixed pulley is up here, and the movable pulley down here, and the force, my hand pulling. And then over here, we have the string pulling up here, which gets up here. Well, at the movable pulley, it goes up, so this string shortens and this string longs, making this spin, so it makes work half easier.